So I got my Nerdblock today, and this is my Nerdblock unboxing, even though I couldn't wait and I unboxed it already. Crack it open real quick here. This is how it comes. Slide it open and see what we got. Now, like I said, I already went through it. Everything in here made me pretty excited, especially the first thing to come out. My Star Wars t-shirt. Amazing. Thoroughly impressed, thoroughly happy with that. If you look inside, we got some puzzle game from some kid show I don't know. A Deadpool eraser. Pretty rad. Go to the DC universe. It's a vinyl figure. Like I said, I cracked the box already. Here we go, we got a little Joker figurine. He's not very big, he's just a little guy. This is the Heath Ledger version. They have multiple ones. Pretty excited about that. My Ninja Turtles coaster. Oh, there we go, put it right side up. New York City sewers with the turtle shell logo. Go to here, we got Spawn. Wicked. It's pretty rad. I subscribed to this August 25th. It's now October 12th. I just got my first one. And here we go. This I was really excited about. Santa Spawn. Right rad. Really cool. And the last item from the game Portal. There he is. My little... What is he again? They got the names of them on the back here. See all the different ones. And he is the Sky Camel. Little sentry figure from the game Portal. And that is my first complete unboxing video, even though I already boxed it. Check me again next month. Maybe we'll do this again.